Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh, there's Hot Wheel too. Hidayat Squad Family, video gua jangan lupa di share, like, sama subscribe. Thank you so much. Hai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, bro. Sekarang ini yang keduanya, bro. Sesi keduanya kita cari-cari lagi di pasar loak, bro ya. Aduh, ini luar biasa, bro ya. Kita cari kemarin tuh kita dapat udah banyak-banyak kayak gitu. Sekarang kita cari lagi yang hot-hot lagi, bro ya. Lo harus ngikutin gua terus. Oke, let's go. Oke bro, masih sambungannya dari video kemarin. Kita hunting lagi di daerah Concord, California, cari barang mantap.
Check online how much it costs. It's in very good condition, very good shoes. It's not cheap one.
35 give it to me.
No,
Huh?
no, no. 45 for you. If I put online that for $50, very easy. Everybody come to my house and take it for $50. But I am working during the week. I don't have time. This one.
Luar biasa bro, beli sepatu tadi, sepatu juga banyak-banyak banget bro. Aduh, dan gue itu dapat sepatu yang luar biasa mantep kayak gitu. Aduh, gak tahu tuh harganya dari $50 jadi $40 bro. Gue gak tahu, lu kasih tahu bro harga itu sebenarnya berapa. Oke, alright, kita cari-cari lagi, let's go. Oke bro, kita mulai perburuan kita kali ini cari Hot Wheel langka. Ini bener-bener lu harus cari di penjual-penjual gitu. Kadang itu nggak terdeteksi gitu, tapi dia ada jual yang kayak mantep. That's cool, this is. Look at this. That's really cool, this is. Oh, ini cewek. Hah? Oh, look at that. There's a lot of toys. Ferrari, Rehan. Ferrari lagi deh. Lagi ada toys. Paimon. Nih kondisinya udah kurang bagus, Rehan. Kondisinya tak bagus, Ren. Look at this. It's Nike. It's Air Jordan. It's Air Jordan. What size is it? How much this one? 10. It's too big. This is another toys, Rehan. I don't think so. Look at this. This is Transformers. Okay, it's another Hot Wheel. Yeah. Huh? Oh yeah. Look at this. Oh, there's Hot Wheel too. Scooby-Doo Hot Wheel, Rehan. Oh, this is not Hot Wheel. This is Matchbox. Scooby-Doo Matchbox. Oke, kita lihat nih apa-apa aja nih bro ya. Lihat Hot Wheel. Nih. Volkswagen Matchbox. Nih kan. Kondisinya gini bro ya, kurang udah bopeng-bopeng ya, namanya aja barang bekas bro ya. Scooby-Doo. This one? Oh, this one is everything is Matchbox, right? Matchbox. Everything is Matchbox. This Matchbox. This one is Corvette Asia. Ini, oh ini Mattel juga. Mobil.
This one is Hot Wheels.
Yeah, look at this.
Let's get that.
Oh, this is the Mini Cooper. Oh, this. Belum Rehan, it's not good. Let's find others.
Why?
Let's find others. Look at this. Yeah, this is another one. Yeah. No model. This one is Ultra Rage. Okay. Door hammer. This is door hammer. This is the model, new model. What's that? Avant Garage. Okay. Apa nih? First edition Automobile. Corvette ini. Ultra Rage. Nesto, Ultra Rage. Nih yang kemarin. Ferrari bro, serius lu Ferrari bro. Mesti nih kita punya nih bro Ferrari nih. Ferrari. Oke.
Look at this Hot Wheels.
Yeah. Halo, how much this one? Dollar each. Ini seru nih bro, Porsche. Ih, Porsche nih keren nih. Porsche tahun 2010 Mattel. Ada pecahnya bro. Nah, oke. Kondisinya ya kayak gini bro. Kondisinya. Oke, kita lihat lagi di sini. Oke, ini Ferrari kita dapat satu ya. Ferrari. Nih, ini apa nih? Drag Mark. Oke, Fusion. Nih. Oke, belum. Ini seru juga ya. Apa ini? Hot Wheel? Bukan. Make in Hong Kong. Chevron, seru juga nih bro. Keren nih. Ular. Keren gak sih bro? Chevron made in Hong Kong. Tahu gue nih. Ini Hot Wheel, Twin Wheel. Oke, ini kan mau satu doang itu bro ya. Nih kan. Nih liatin bro, mana bro ya yang gua ketinggalan nih bro. Nesto. Seru juga sih. Chef Trend ya. Gua ambil aja lah. Do you have another car and this? Do you have another car? Only that one? This one how much? Tuh. Oke. Ultra Rage. Don't put it there. Lucu juga nih. Seru gak sih nih? Chef 10. Nah, udahlah kayak gini. Wow, that's a lot of toys. Any car here? Hot Wheel? Oh, that's Hot Wheel there. This watch, is it still working? It's working ya? The watch? Lihat tuh jam semuanya bro. Serius lu? Jam kayak gini nih. Ada kacamata, ada jam. Lengkap ini. Tuh ada mainan lagi bro. Oke. Kita lihat deh. Nih. Nih. Yokohama yang baru sih, bawa Mattel 2016 kan, yang baru ini, belum yang kayak yang hot gitu bro. Kondisinya bro ya. Oke, just take it this two. Just take this two then. Is it still working?
Yeah.
You get it from where is it? I mean, it's a lot of watch there. Working everything?
I don't know.
Yeah. It's auction, is it? Tuh, Hot Wheel. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ini ada kartu-kartu juga. Tuh. Ada kartu-kartu basket. Serius loh, kartu basket. Kartu-kartu basket. Banyak banget nih kartu-kartunya.
Ahí la sombra está a gusto.
Wish. Ngerti nggak lo kartu-kartu gini bro? Nggak ngerti nih. Dale Davis. Oke. Look at the shoes. That's cool shoes. That's the cool one. This is Air Zoom. What size is it? That's cool one. That's cool. How much is one?
I sell it for 60.
60.
You know these ones and the night,
The yellow one?
the salt,
Really?
they got light.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, they light in the nighttime.
Oh, there's a light. Okay, glow in the dark.
In the nighttime they light.
Oh, they have a light there.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. I get it. But it's too small for me.
It's too small.
Yeah, that's a problem. This the C1.
This is the old ones.
Oh, this is the old one. Yeah, but it's kind of like a bit.
Damaged.
Yeah. A bit.
Somebody take. I mean,
Exactly.
you know, people they like old stuff.
Exactly. Yeah. So you here like every week? No, not really. Okay.
I just came to sell all my stuff.
Oh, is it? Yeah. So usually you sell it in where? At home only? No.
How much is this one?
Don't sell anything.
Or that means
Oh, this one is cool.
Ow!
This one is cool. Oh, US 85 also. It's small. You don't have like a size 11 under that?
11. No,
No.
really. That's the biggest. I have.
Exactly. Just
I mean, this one is 18.
just wondering. How much is one?
Give me $6.
60 bucks? Oh, okay. Wow, this one is nice. Wow, that's nice. You have a good stuff. All right, then next day then. Thank you so much. Okay. There's another Hot Wheel. Oh, there's another Hot Wheel. Hello, I'm back again. You have a new one? This is something new here.
This is all I have.
Oh,
I
this.
don't want to buy anymore. I don't make any money.
Oh,
I'm losing money.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, you mentioned to me last time. Yeah.
Only this one is different price.
Huh?
This one is $3.
Oh, this one is $3.
Yeah, because I paid $3.
Oh, you paid $3 for this?
Paid $3. I want $3.
Ah, okay. What's that?
And the
Okay,
others,
no,
these
fine.
are $1 each.
$1 each,
Yeah,
everything.
But I paid little more than $1, so
Yeah.
I don't want anymore.
Bone seeker.
There's Batman.
Small things, lots of work, but I don't make money.
Yeah, is it? You get it from the how's it? Some auction as well?
I bought it from somebody, this one I think.
Yeah, somebody.
I thought I can sell it for like $2-3.
Ah,
I said no, just get rid of it. I don't want it.
yeah. I see.
But I had a lot, all sold. So
Oh, yeah.
this much left.
I see. Ini juga mana ya? Sama juga. Alright, thank you, ma'am.